In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 300 DPI in Canva. If you need your Canva design to be better prepared for printing, getting it into 300 DPI is a common requirement. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the exact process in a simple and practical way, using Canva first and then a DPI converter to finish the job. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is on screen, go to the top right corner and click on Share. This is where Canva gives you export and sharing options for your file. From the Share menu, click on Download. This will open the export settings, where you can choose how you want your design file to be saved. At this stage, pay attention to the file type, because this depends on how you plan to use the design afterward. Next, choose the download format you need, such as PNG or JPG. If you're not sure which one to pick, PNG is often a good choice for better image quality, while JPG can give you a smaller file size. Use the format that best matches your needs. After selecting the file type, click Download and save the file from Canva to your computer. This gives you the version you'll use for the DPI conversion in the next part. Now open a new browser tab and search for a DPI converter. Then open the Clidio DPI converter page. This tool lets you change the DPI setting of the image you just downloaded from Canva. Once you're on the converter page, click Choose File and upload the file you downloaded. Make sure you select the correct version so you don't accidentally convert the wrong image. After the upload is complete, click on the 300 DPI option. This is the key setting that updates the image to the print-friendly resolution you're looking for. Keep in mind that DPI is especially important for printing, because it affects how sharp the image appears on paper. Then click Continue to let the converter process your file. This may take a few moments depending on the file size, so just wait for it to finish. When the conversion is done, click Download to save the new file. At this point, you should have your Canva project set to 300 DPI. If you want to verify it, go to the file on your desktop or in your folder, right-click it, open Properties, and then go to Details. There, you should be able to see the DPI information listed as 300, and that's it. That's how to get 300 DPI in Canva using a quick export and conversion process.